I found this really nice microwave oven range. And it's in the guy's trash. So I found the problem. The fuse was loose and it was burning the spot in here. It's got a really nice transformer and microwave transformer and circuit boards and stuff. Really nice. I'll put it together. First, what I'm going to do is bypass the fuse and on the circuit board where it burnt this side over here, so I'm running a jumper wire from the main end over to the fuse because I don't want to put a fuse in it. I looked it up on GE here. It's a $220 microwave range oven above stove. It's a microwave oven above range, above the cooktop oven. So I looked it up online. It ran $220, and all it was the fuse was loose. So I don't want to mess with it because I do this stuff all the time. So I'm just gonna hot rod a jumper on the fuse. So I'll get back with you. Okay, I soldered 2 wires so it'll take the load. Now I'm going to hook these onto the Jewel Thief coil, and that's where they input. Okay, here's the fuse. So I took that fuse out, and that's not the very cleanest solder, but I soldered it to the back of the Jewel Thief, which is input. Of course, I solder with a torch, and here it is, soldered to the other side, the Jewel Thief. Now I've got a good connection on it. Now let's put it back together.